In previous class, I have given overview of ratio. Now today I will give very clear picture about ratio. Now down. In previous class already I explained what is ratio. Comparison of two quantities, items or numbers are called ratio. Again I told one more concept. Ratio is nothing but a special type of fraction. After that I have told order is very important in ratio and there is no units of ratio. Now down. Today I am giving very all concepts. Now down. Ratio. Keep heading ratio. The comparison of two quantities. Comparison spelling check it. COMPARISON, not SION. The comparison of two quantities the comparison of two quantities or items or numbers are called ratio. First star point. The symbol used for ratio, the symbol used for ratio the symbol is used for ratio is this symbol, one dot up, one dot down. This is a symbol for ratio. And this symbol is written between this symbol is written between the symbol is written between two quantities. This point is very important point. Ratio symbol is written between two quantities. Second star point. If we are comparing two units, note down. Yeah, we can compare the two quantities we can compare the two quantities only if they are in the same units. They are in the same units. Third star point. Ratio has no unit. I will explain why ratio has no unit. Ratio has no unit. Next. Next our point. How to speak ratio A is to B. A is to B. What is the meaning of A is to B? A is to B is nothing but A divided by B. What is the name of A? What is the name of B? A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. A is called antecedent. A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. First term is called antecedent and second term is called consequent. Yes, A is called antecedent and B is called consequent. Example, first example. Find the ratio of example 1. Find the ratio of find the ratio of find the ratio of find the ratio of twenty meter find the ratio of 20 meter and 400 centimeter. Find the ratio of 20 meter and 400 centimeter. Concentrate everyone, don't write. First question, concentrate here. How to solve this question? Firstly, I want to check both units are same or not. He has given 20 meter is to 400 centimeter. Can we compare? Can we compare? No, because units are different. First unit is meter and second unit is centimeter. Both units are different. If units are different, I want to convert into same units. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Now I can write here 20 meter is to 400 centimeter is equal to 20 meter is to 4 meter. Now both units are same. I have converted into same units. Again ratio I want to write into fraction form. 20 meter divided by 4 meter. Meter cancel. 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. 5 by 1 is equal to 5 is to 1. That's why we told ratio don't have units because numerator and denominator we have cancelled the units and there is no ratio. There is no unit of ratio. Note down everyone. Hence the ratio of 20 meter to 400 centimeter is, hence the ratio of 20 meter to 400 centimeter is 5:1. Here we have done simplification. Question was 20 by 4. I have simplified, that has come 5:1. If they have given question, find the ratio or write in the simplest form. Don't confuse. First write in the ratio, then simplify, that is called simplest form. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Express the following ratios. Express the following ratios in the lowest form or simplest form. Express the following ratio in the lowest form or simplest form. Express the following ratios in the lowest or simplest form. First question. (15:25). I want to write into lowest form or simplest form. Firstly, ratio I will write in the fraction form. 15/25. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 3:5. B question. 18:20. 18:20. What is the meaning of 18:20? 18 ratio symbol 20. 18/20. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. 9:10. C question. There are 18 pens. There are 18 pens and 16 pencils. There are 18 pens and 16 pencils in a box. In a box. Then what is the ratio of 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 pens to pencils? What is the ratio of pens to pencils? There are 18 pens and 16 pencils in the box. Then what is the ratio of pens to pencil? How many pens are there? 18. How many pencil are there? 16. Means 18 is to 18 is to 16. Again, we want to write into lowest form. 18 by 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 8s are 16. 9 is to 8. D question. 3 meter 3 meter is to 200 centimeter. Don't say answer 3 is to 200. 3 is to 200 is the wrong answer because both units are same or different. Both units are different. We want to convert into same units. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Now 3 meter is to 200 centimeter is equal to 3 meter is to 2 meter. Now 3 meter I can write 3 meter divided by 2 meter. Meter cancel. 3 is to 2. Don't be happy. 3 is to 200 is the right answer. But units are different. If units are different, we need to convert into same unit. Then we can compare the items or quantity or numbers. E question. E question. 1 day is to 1 week. Who will give me answer? 1 day is to 1 week. Anyone want to give me answer? 1 is to 7. Answer. Firstly, I will write 1 day is to 1 week. Down I will write here 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then I will write here 1 day is to 1 week is equal to 1 day is to 7 days. Okay. Now 1 divided by 7. Answer is 1 is to 7. Next. F question. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is to 5 seconds. Who will give me answer? 2 minutes is to 5 seconds. 2 minutes is to 5 seconds. Right. Note down everyone. Ratio of 2 minutes to 5 seconds. We know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then 2 minutes is equal to double 120. Now question is 2 minutes is to 5 seconds. 2 minutes is to 5 seconds is equal to 2 minutes means 120 seconds is to 5 seconds. Now 120 second divided by 5 second means 120 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, and 5 4 the 20. 24 is to 1. Don't write here 1 is to 24. Order is very important in ratio. Now I am asking some closer question. Give me answer. Yes. Himasri. Ratio is a fraction, true or false?
True, sir.
Right. Next, Rishit Rao. In a ratio, order of the terms does not matter, true or false? In ratio,
False.
order of the terms does not matter, true or false?
False. False, sir.
Right. Why false?
Sir, order is important in ratio.
Very good. Yes. Yomini. Ratio has units or not? Ratio has units or not?
It doesn't have units, so
Ratio?
it's false. You're asking me to tell the true or false or just tell the answer?
I'm asking question, ratio has units or not, true or false?
It doesn't have units.
Then answer true or false.
I don't know. Is it, but
If Hruday will give answer, one chocolate. Yes. We can write a ratio between height of the child and weight of the child, true or false? We can write.
False, sir.
Why false?
Sir, because in ratio, units are important.
But height and weight we can convert or we can't convert.
Sir, height is different and weight is different, sir. They both are not same.
Everyone is agree with this answer? Yes. Hruday got the chocolate. Right. Hruday has given right answer. We cannot write ratio of height and weight. Height is different units and weight is different unit. There is no relation between height and weight, right? That's why we can't compare. Yeah, if height is they have given 300 meter and 300 centimeter, then we can compare, we can interchange, right? Very good, beta. Yes. Now listen carefully, students. First things always keep in mind, ratio don't have units. Second point, order is very important in ratio. If we want to convert, if we want to compare the quantity items or ratio, firstly we need to check order, both units are same or different. If units are same, we can compare easily. If units are different, we want to convert into same units, then we can compare the items or quantity or ratio. Understood? And ratio is nothing but a special type of fractions. All these concepts are very important concept, right? Left side keep heading, mean proportion. Keep heading, mean proportion. mean proportion. What is proportion? If two ratios are equal, that is called proportion. How to calculate mean proportion? Listen carefully, everyone. Don't write. Listen carefully, everyone. A is to B is same as C is to D. Don't write. Listen carefully. A is to B is same as C is to D. But if I'm talking about mean proportion, I will take only three terms. A is to B is same as B is to C. Here B will repeat two times. A is to B is same as B is to C. Then how to calculate mean proportion? Here A is first proportion, B is mean proportion or continued proportion. A is called first proportion. A is called first proportion. Don't try, listen carefully. And B is called mean proportion or continued proportion. B is called mean proportion. Mean means middle term. B is called mean proportion and C is called third proportion. And C is called third proportion. How to calculate mean proportion? We know if two ratios are equal, then what is the condition? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Extreme means first and last term, middle means mean term. Now here extreme is A and C. A into C is equal to B into B. AC is equal to B square or B is equal to square root of AC. This is the formula to calculate mean proportion or continued proportion. Okay, no problem, students. Again, upcoming classes I will explain clearly this concept.